Let's take a look at these crunchies. These are by the Mumum Co. Very real. 100% grains, veggies, cheese, and that's all. This has grains, veggies, and that's all. This is with beetroot. This is with cheese and tomato. Really fun looking packaging. Naturally roasted puffs, corn, jowar, and ragi. Healthy snack for kids. Quite a fun looking packaging. No preservatives, no added sugar, no artificial flavor. It's a vegetarian product. It's manufactured by Faraway Foods in Maharashtra, India. Ingredients are corn, jowar or sorghum, ragi or finger millet, natural cheese powder, natural tomato powder, and rice bran oil. We are moms and we know what it's like to want the best for your child. That's why the Mumum Co's wholesome health snacks are specially made for kids but are loved by everyone. This costs around 40 rupees or 80 cents or so. No added sugar. Slow and steady release of energy wins the race. This has around 80 calories. Our ingredients are easy to read and easier to eat. So let's taste these. That's how they look. Tiny stars. So let's taste these. These are nice and crunchy. Has a tanginess to them, but very little cheese. Would have gone a bit heavy on the seasoning. Still very tasty though. Love the color. This one is with beetroot. Similar ingredients. Looks like it uses the same things. The only thing different is the natural beetroot powder. And this too costs 40 rupees or 80 cents or so. So let's taste it. That's how these look. Let's taste it. These have a hint of sweetness to them. I think that's because of the beetroot. Really tasty. I think they could have gone a bit heavier with the seasoning. These are very crunchy and quite tasty too. Quite nice. Check it out.